Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description. Welcome to our detailed maintenance guide for the Conga 2299. Today, we will walk through the essential steps to ensure your vacuum performs at its best. Let's get started with the tools you'll need. You will require 1. A Phillips screwdriver. 2. A soft brush for cleaning. 3. A microfiber cloth. 4. A can of compressed air. 5. Replacement filters and brushes, depending on your usage. Before you begin, ensure your Conga 2299 is powered off and unplugged for safety. Start by removing the dust container. To do this, locate the release button on the top of the device and press it to detach the container. Empty the dust bin into a trash bag and rinse it under warm water. Make sure it's completely dry before reattaching it. Next, let's focus on the brushes. Use your Phillips screwdriver to remove the screws holding the brush cover. Once removed, take out the brushes and inspect them for hair or debris. A soft brush can help you clean the bristles effectively. If you notice any wear, consider replacing them with new ones. Remember, if you don't have the tools, we offer pickup and delivery at your home to make your maintenance hassle-free. After cleaning or replacing the brushes, it's time to check the filter. Open the filter compartment located at the back of the device. Remove the filter and tap it gently to dislodge any dust. If it's heavily soiled, wash it under running water and let it dry completely before reinserting. A clean filter ensures optimal suction. While you have the device open, take a moment to clean the internal components. Use compressed air to blow out any dust or debris that may have accumulated inside. This step is crucial for maintaining the performance of your Conga 2299. If you're unsure about doing this yourself, remember we provide professional diagnosis without obligation, ensuring your vacuum is in top condition. Once everything is clean and dry, reassemble your vacuum. Start by placing the filter back into the compartment, then attach the brushes, and finally, resecure the dust container. Ensure that everything clicks into place securely. Now, let's talk about regular maintenance. It is recommended to clean the dust container and filters every few uses, while the brushes should be checked weekly, especially if you have pets. Regular maintenance can extend the life of your vacuum and improve its efficiency. Remember, we provide a quote before repair if you encounter any issues that require professional help. Finally, make sure to store your Conga 2299 in a dry place to prevent any moisture damage. With these simple steps, your Conga 2299 will provide you with efficient cleaning for years to come. Happy cleaning! Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description.